A sole trader can access MyTax after linking their MyGov account with the ATO. After logging into MyGov and MyTax, you should see your latest individual tax return for the relevant tax year ready to start preparing. Click Prepare. Now scroll down to this screen and tick all the sections that apply to you. For this video demonstration, I'm going to prepare this tax return on the basis that I've only received business income as a sole trader and nothing else. So I'll click on this option here. In the drop-down menu, I'll select that I received income as a business sole trader, income or loss. I selected this option as I operated this business under my name with an ABN registered under my name also. I did not operate my business in a company or trust structure and I did not have a business partner, so the other options do not apply and I leave them as unselected. Under the drop-down box for the business sole trader income, I need to select if my business received personal service income, also known as PSI, or business income or loss. If you're not sure which option applies to you, there is a very handy decision tool that you can use to help answer this question. Since this question can determine which tax rules, including government incentives for small business, apply or do not, I will be clicking on the Personal Services Income Decision tool here. The first question is, did you work for yourself? And I will select yes. Then click on Add. Then click on the Add button, and a new drop-down menu appears. Add the name of your business here. The business was not carried on for a company, partnership or trust. I did not receive any income from a labour hire firm. If you're not sure what a labour hire business is, click on this link here and on the side here a help menu will appear giving an explanation. Once done, click Hide and the menu will go away. Now I earned income from two main sources, which was using my skills of making videos and expertise on money related topics. So I'll firstly select providing personal skills, knowledge or efforts. Secondly, I sold some digital products on my Etsy store. So I will also select sale of goods. I didn't earn money from the last two items, so I'll leave them blank. The sale of digital products was actually less than 50% of my total business income, so I will enter no here. Okay, there are a couple of options here relating to my above responses. You should carefully read each one and determine which applies to you. Since I get paid a small commission for referring people to use online products, I will select commission from a business you act on behalf of, as I do have one revenue stream from this type of activity. Otherwise, I would have selected none of the above, as my other income does not fit any of these descriptions. Now, under the results test, it asks if at least 75% of my commission income was required to provide tools and equipment. For my YouTube business, I was required to buy and use a laptop, mobile phone device, microphone, and editing software. So I select yes. So I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button for this video and consider subscribing for more content. It really helps support my channel and I do appreciate it. Thank you. The next question was whether I required to fix any defects from my work. As this is not clear for my circumstances, I'll click on the link for more information here. So in my circumstance, my contract for commission does state that the commission paid to me is recoverable to the provider in limited circumstances, such as a breach of contract. Also, I do not get paid to answer any questions about the software post-sale. It's simply a referral. So I will select yes in this circumstance. Click Next. The PSI Decision tool has determined that the PSI rules do not apply to me based on my responses to the questions. If you click View Details, it summarizes my responses. I have the option to formally submit this result to the ATO for future reference. This is optional and there is no obligation to do this. I personally will select this option so that if I do get audited by the ATO, I can at least remember why I came to the conclusion that the PSI rules did not apply to me. If you are in any doubt with answering these questions, then I recommend that you speak to a tax agent for advice specific to your circumstances. I also recommend that you save a copy of this response now in your personal files, as you will need to answer these questions in the next section in the tax return, again, as they do not transfer automatically to the tax return. Click Save, then click Save to MyTax. Now we get taken back to the PSI question and I will select only business income or loss, as the PSI rules do not apply to me. I have created other videos on how to complete those sections of the individual tax return, and I have included links in the description of the video below for you to watch later. See you in the next video.